to show you what it's like to get the lift, and well, some new views at Amersham station. And here we are, we've just come up in the lift. Unfortunately I had to dash to get it before the doors closed. This is the most westerly tube station on the network. There down in front of me is the tube upon which I arrived, and on the left I think that's the sort of Chiltern line out to Aylesbury. So it's quite a good view here, and I was unaware of the lift transfers to other platforms and the way out for quite a while until after it had been made. You can see how the track, the right-hand track. Oh, here goes the tube I was on, and he or she is probably heading for a sort of siding, and is turning left. Obviously it's not going to Aylesbury because this is the limit of how far the tube goes westwards. It's Peter, it's Sunday the 2nd of August, and we are looking down at Amersham, and obviously he's not going very fast, he's just drifting into a holding line, or a branch one. Here's a view eastwards, lovely roofs, old station, very old station, but this bit, this view platform you could almost say, or lift available place, siding, that's the word I was looking for. He's heading into the siding and he's slowing down quite a lot. I don't quite know why that is. I think it's because when that train next goes towards London, which is behind me, it will come in and turn left and appear on platform, I assume that's platform 3, down on the right hand side there. So I had to go up there so it can, the driver meanwhile will walk through the train from the front end to the new front end. Anyway, it's Peter, it's Sunday 2nd of August. There is a CCTV camera looking at me, or several of them. There's a way down to the platform in emergencies, and here's the main high street of Amersham, or Higher Amersham, Upper Amersham, New Amersham, whatever you want to call it. There's a plane or a helicopter overhead, can't see it now, but it's a lovely sunny day, and I'm going to explore bits of Amersham and Chesham boys. People are very polite. That taxi stopped to let the lady with a suitcase cross the road. Everybody's polite in England, isn't it wonderful? So there we are. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.